Please subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and press the bell icon for notifications of future videos. Cut the following lengths: 4 times 1.5 meters, 1 times 80 centimeters. Attach 4 times 1.5 meter lengths to the keyring using the reverse lark's head knot. Using string 4 as a guide, create a diagonal row of double half hitch knots using strings 3 to 1. Repeat on the other side. Repeat on both sides once more. Step 2. Create a square knot in line with the last double half hitch knot using the center 4 strings. Using string 1, create a diagonal row of double half hitch knots with strings 2 to 4. Repeat on the other side. Repeat on both sides once more. Create a double half hitch knot using both guides to close the diamond. Repeat the pattern again to complete 2 full diamonds. Using 80 centimeters of string, create a gathering knot underneath the last section of knots. Trim the tassels to their desired length.